What's up, guys? So this video is definitely a little different, and by a little I mean a lot, completely different. Um, if you are new here, this is going to be a little confusing, but I made an omelet and I made a coffee. And if you were here around this time last year, you might remember the significance of an omelet and coffee. So around this time last year, I was camping up in Utah, and I met a friend, and I offered to make her an omelet and coffee. I messed the omelet up completely. It ended up turning it into a egg sandwich. But yeah, her name was Brandy, and she has since passed. She passed while we were camping together in a Cracker Barrel parking lot. So I just wanted to try to make an omelet and a coffee just to give her a little, cheers. So yeah, I just think it's extremely important to check on the people that you love in your life and try to be there for a stranger. Try to be there for a random person that you see that might need something. Um, so yeah, I kind of messed the omelet up again. I'm not great at making omelets, but at least I think this still counts as a decent omelet. So cheers. So yeah, I didn't know her well at all, and so I didn't want to make a huge big deal out of it. I just wanted to make an omelet, make a coffee, and spend this time by myself just to remember how far I've come this year, all the people that I've met on the road that I've made or shared a meal with. And I just think that's very important, very, very special. So this is a perfect omelet, low-key. So yeah, that's honestly all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to do a little tribute to an old friend. And yeah, that's all I got. So just make sure you guys are keeping up with your people, having a good time this holiday season, being safe, being careful, all that good stuff. And yeah, there will be a very, very fun video coming up next. So just look out for that. But yeah, it's gonna do it for me, guys. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, cheers.